welcome to the GabriellaDamaris Show. Today I have a giant glitter surprise egg. Yay! The glitter egg is my favorite color, blue. So I really like that it's my favorite color and I have no idea what's in it. So let's open it and see what's inside. OMG! Okay, I got a lot of stuff. I'm gonna put the broken egg over here. Broken egg. That reminds me of Humpty Dumpty. So I got Noms, and I also got Puppy in My Pocket, Super Bright Palace Pets, Toy Story, Sophia the First, and Shopkins. Once you shop, you get stuff, and it has the purple charm bracelet, and I never saw a purple charm bracelet. Guys, so I'm gonna open the Disney Palace Pets Super Bright first, and I hope to get Nile the monkey. So let's open it. It won't open. Maybe I'll open it from the bottom. If it opens from the bottom. Oh, there we go. I get Nile. I hope I get Nile. Oh, we got Sultan and it's a double. I'm gonna put Sultan right here. Ding. Or not. Or not ding. Okay, that's better. Now I'm opening Noms, and I haven't opened Noms in a very long time. Or maybe just a little more, or something like that. Don't open there. And this is where you're supposed to open it. Awkward. Okay, so I have no idea. I got Cherry Chip. She smells so good. Here's the front, here's the back. She looks so cute. I also got Piña Gloss Up. She smells really, really good. I'm gonna put some on. Next, I'm gonna open Sophia the First blind bags. Oh, I got Amber. I think I got Amber. Yep, I got Amber, and that's a new one. Whoop, whoop. She's like so fancy, really fancy. She's like, with her friend, she's like, I'm going to a tea party right now. Going to a tea party. Next, I'm gonna open Toy Story blind bag. I got Woody! Yay! And I really like how his hat looks. Now I'm gonna open the Puppy in My Pocket Puppy Carrier Series 2. See what I got? Whoa. Okay, that's weird. But alright. Comes in a black bag. This one looks like it has a rubber ducky in its mouth. I got Daisy, and she's a beagle, and she has a rubber ducky in her mouth. And I also got Brandy, and he has a little medical barrel around his neck. And he's a St. Bernard. Or whatever. the last thing I have is the Shopkins Season 5 5-pack. So let's open it. Okay, so I got Linda Layered Cake, new one. Winnie Window Box, double. Microphone, new one. Lippy Lips, Translucent Charm, new one. And Penny Wishing Well, double. So I also got the purple bracelet, jump bracelet, actually jump bracelet. So it also comes with a backpack, and I got the bunny. It looks so cute with the bows. I really hope it's Paula Puzzle, or I can see it. And it's a dog. So yeah. Go play. So I got Jane Frame. Dude. I got my charm bracelet. So now I have 3 charm bracelets. And my favorite was Microphone and Linda Layered Cake. And that was it for this video. Please thumbs up, subscribe, and have a nice day. Shoppers! Today I have the color, the shop. Hello. Today I have the Shopkins coloring fashion messenger bag.